Hello, my name is Duncan Alderdice, and the reason I'm making these videos is to document the journey I take as I become who I am. Today was an interesting day, little bitter end, but so 14,000 a day, very low, but I did send out 111 connection requests. Did book a demo, so that's that's good. On the phone, held 2 demos. There was a no-show. And then there's another one that I have at 8. I don't know if they're going to show up. We'll see. And then there there were one of the demos that I held. It was a disqualification. But one that was at noon went well. It was an hour-long conversation. It ended with him then wanting to talk to his friend who also was speaking with us, but didn't end up moving forward that day and wanted to just make sure. And then so it was like, okay, we'll follow up at 6 o'clock right here. And the little fuck didn't show up, pick up the phone when I called twice, and I need to relax a bit. But I think I'm just getting pissed off with people. Like, my day could have been over an hour before. He could have said no when I said for the follow-up, like at noon. And he seems interested, so I'm just gonna call him every single fucking day until he picks up the phone or it tells me to fuck off. Which, like, I'm just in the more moment of, okay. So it had, I think it's more, he had the opportunity to close and then didn't end up doing it. I really pressured more on the first call promotion, then sent it out saying that, like an email saying that it would expire unless he signed up at midnight. He seemed to say he wanted to go with it. So we'll see if that goes anywhere. But if he doesn't pick up again, he'll just be enrolled into every single end of month sequence, and until he opts out. Again, I'd prefer if people just communicated what it is that they were thinking. Like, I've sent a text, just tell me no. I'll accept no. Don't tell me yes and then actually mean no. Like, just like, if you don't, whatever. But so that's that. I'm second on the leaderboard. Okay, well, technically, I did close a deal today because the payment for the auto charge came through, but we're just gonna do the math to make sure. So I have 9 deals closed technically, and in the month of March, close 8. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so I can. Technically 1 deal closed today. All of a sudden I feel better. But that was just the one from the person who closed before setting up the auto charge. Yeah, there's something at 8 o'clock. We'll see if it is, but I can kind of, like, there's 2 hours before then, so I can kind of sink into the night before that, or at least, like, turn off from work. So that's fun. Nothing else notable happened today. I'm starting to get into the rhythm of it, and starting to see, like, so I think I'm like 2K away from. I'm 1 gold with a 10% discount away from hitting quota. I think I can do that. I don't know if that'll happen tomorrow. I was hoping that this one would close. There is one that potentially could happen tomorrow, and then 2 newer ones. And then there's a full week next week. So I gotta make sure that I'm doing more prospecting. But we'll see. But, like, so I'm starting to figure it out. The question is whether or not I can do it 2 months in a row. I'm hoping I can do so. What's a little frustrating is with LinkedIn, I'm not getting nearly as many connection requests as I did at the beginning of the month. Maybe that's just a timing of the month thing. Maybe it's the particular people I'm sending connection requests out to. We shall see. Oh, and then there was a guy who I closed the deal for who there's like an issue with compliance that I had to kind of give him the right information. So hopefully that all works out well. But in any case, I'll see you later and talk to you soon.